Okay guys, let's have a little look at significant figures then, say a few things about this before we start the series of questions. Basically the rule here is that we count from the first non-zero digit from the left and round us with decimal places. So for example, this number here then, the first non-zero digit is the 5, yeah? And then we count forward. So if we were rounding this to, say, 3 significant figures, the first non-zero digit, as we said, is the 5. That's the first, so we count forward to 3. This position here, 9. So that's where we would keep to 519, and we round. Then we look at the next digit along us with decimal places to see how we round the 9. Because 2 is less than 5, we round down, so to speak, and it's just left as 519. And that's 3 significant figures. Suppose we did it to 2 significant figures then. Let's have a look to 2. In this case, the first non-zero digit is 5 as before, so this would be the second, this place here, so we're going to round here. The next digit after is a 9, which is bigger than 5, bigger than or equal to 5, so we round the 1 up, so we round it up to a 2, so 5, 2. But you see, we keep the same size of the number. This is the tens column, so this is the tens column, so to keep it as the same number, of course, same magnitude, then we have to introduce a 0 to keep it in the same position. So 519.2984 to 2 significant figures is equal to 520. Okay, let's have a look at the next example then. What have we got here then? We've got 0.003785, and we're going to do it to say 2 significant figures, shall we, to start with? We'll do a couple examples on this one. Going forward from the left, the first non-zero digit is here. We want 2 significant figures, so this is the position we're interested in, the 3, 7. The digit after is bigger than or equal to 5, it's an 8. So that means we round the 7 up to an 8, don't we? So keep the same place for the number, 0.003, and as we said, that 7 now gets rounded up to an 8. So there we are, that's the 2 significant figures. So let's change that then. Let's do it to something else. Shall we do it to 3 significant figures, shall we? So let's have a look at that. Here's the first non-zero digit. That's the first. Second, there's the third significant figure then. The digit after is a 5, which is bigger than or equal to a 5, isn't it? So that means we round up the 8 to a 9. So it's 0.00379. And that was to 3 significant figures. Okay, so I hope you get the gist of it. Best explained by examples. So all the best in this section then, guys. And hopefully I'll catch you in another section. Cheers.